All right guys, hello. Yeah, I know I always do this. I come on this clip half face. Yeah. I'm reviewing the Too Faced Pitch Perfect foundation. Link will be at the description bar, or I will link it somewhere up here on the video. Okay, yeah, now let's begin with the eyes. That is why we are here. Okay guys, I'm going to be using my KIKO and Makeup Geek eyeshadow. So I placed them on this zip palette I got from eBay. Let's do our brows before the eyes. So for brows today, I'm going to try out something new. I'm going to be using the Eyelaw brow pomade. So before I start with the brow pomade, I will outline my brows using my brow pencil. I'll just use this brush by Stigma, the Stigma E65 brush. So, oh my god, this is really pigmented. This is in dark brown. After I was done filling my brows, I think I lost some clip on this video. It didn't show when I cleaned the brows and started up the eyeshadow look. But I'll leave the name of the shadows I'm using on the video, guys. Sorry about that. And apply that on the crease, just underneath the cocoa bear. I'm going to take this shadow, and it's the KIKO Infinity Eyeshadow in 226. That on the lid. Here called Beaten by Makeup Geek. Apply this at the outermost corner and just use that to define the eyes. I don't want to use black. To just blend the crease. I'm going to take the yellow that we use for the crease, the yellow color. Use the yellow to just blend the crease a bit. That is an all matte makeup tutorial. For my bold wing, I'm going to use the Mimai eyeliner pencil. For my under eyes, I'm going to use this pencil by Beauty UK. I'll just use the black one. I'm going to apply the colors that we use for the crease. KIKO eyeshadow, Makeup Geek eyeshadow, all of them. I'll mix that together and blend the under eyes. To finish up my face, I'm going to dust off the excess powder on my face. My BH Cosmetic Pro Matte Powder in the shade 250. I'm just going to spray my face using my coconut water spray to remove all the powder and refreshes the makeup and all that. For my lip, I'm going to use the MAC Chestnut lip liner. I'm going to use the Eyelaw lashes in the style Most Wanted. I'm going to use this lipstick by Grelon. This is the Grelon lipstick. It comes in the package. It comes in a package like this. When you take the lipstick up, the package has a mirror right here. Very cute, but this is not cheap. This is quite expensive. Grelon is an expensive brand, so don't expect their things to be cheap. Yeah, I'm using the number 3 today. I take the Fenty highlighter. And a little bit of my brow bone. I use this Eyelaw mascara today. Yeah. Spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter spray.
Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the.
Alright guys, this is the final look. Don't forget to check out the foundation review of this look. It will be linked at the description bar for the Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation. If you want to see my thoughts on this foundation, make sure to check the description bar. So with the hair, with the eyes, let me know what you think, if the eyes matches up with the look, and if you like the lipstick, let me know what you think at the comment section. I really appreciate you guys for watching this video. Thank you for coming again to watch my makeup tutorial. Love you guys. Let me know what you think about the red hair, guys. Okay, that's all I have to say. Remember what I always say: be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, and remain blessed. Bye guys.